In a world where SUVs have become the go-to for both efficiency and adventure, Toyota is stepping things up with the 2026 RAV4. This isn't just another model, it's a game changer that's set to redefine what we expect from our rides. First off, let's talk design. The new RAV4 ditches the old cautious look for a bolder, more rugged vibe. You'll notice the striking hammerhead grille, squared off-wheel arches, and aggressive LED lights that give it a tough look that's hard to ignore. If you want something that truly stands out, check out the GR Sport trim. It comes with a 20mm wider track, a slick blacked-out roof, and eye-catching 20-inch alloy wheels that scream confidence. Or maybe you're the adventurous type. The Woodland version has raised suspension and all-terrain tires, plus Rigid Industries lighting for those late-night explorations. This isn't just about looking good, it's designed to take you places. Now, what's under the hood? Toyota is all in on electrification with the 2026 RAV4. Say goodbye to gas engines. Every model is now a hybrid or plug-in hybrid. The standard hybrid pumps out 236 horsepower and has all-wheel drive, giving you plenty of power while keeping things efficient. But the real star is the plug-in hybrid. With a solid 320 horsepower and a remarkable 50 miles of electric-only range, it's perfect for those who want to keep their weekend trips gas-free. Plus, it can charge from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes with DC fast charging. Imagine cruising silently during the week, then hitting the road for a weekend getaway without worrying about fuel. Step inside, and you'll see that Toyota really thought about the user experience. The cabin features a 12.3-inch digital cockpit paired with a 12.9-inch infotainment screen, all powered by Toyota's Arene operating system. It's super responsive, can be updated over the air, and finally has those classic physical knobs for climate control, because who doesn't love a good knob? If you go for the GR Sport, you'll enjoy luxurious suede seats and cool aluminum pedals. The Woodland Edition is all about being rough and ready while still keeping comfort in mind. And for those traveling with family, you'll appreciate the clever storage solutions. Rear seat passengers, especially the little ones, can easily snag snacks from the console thanks to dual-access storage. Toyota really understands family needs and has made sure every trip is as enjoyable as possible. Now, how does it drive? The GR Sport offers a retuned suspension, stiffer bracing, and precise steering that make it feel like it's gliding through corners. On the flip side, the Woodland trim's terrain response system handles gravel and rough roads with ease, making it a great pick for outdoorsy types. Plus, with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, featuring perks like intersection collision mitigation and 3D parking assist, you can hit the road with a lot of peace of mind. The RAV4 has always been known for its reliability, but now it's stepped up its game to become a real contender in the electrified vehicle space. With hybrid batteries made right here in North Carolina, Toyota is not only focusing on sustainability, but also supporting local production. They're not just following trends, they're setting them. The 2026 RAV4 isn't just the SUV that people in Canada and Australia will be lining up for. It's the vehicle that's ready to tackle the modern world. So, are you ready for an SUV that combines eco-friendliness with excitement? The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is more than just an evolution of what came before. It's a complete revolution, smooth, innovative, and perfectly crafted for whatever adventure comes your way. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the trails, this SUV is ready to enhance your driving experience every step of the way.